अभी हमने कर्तव्य पथ पर देखे, अब निगाहें आकाश की ओर, जहां से वायुसेना का फ्लाई पास्ट शुरू हो रहा है।
The flypast, which will have 50 aircraft participating, with the Rafale, the Sukhois, MiG-29s, the Jaguars, the Sarangs and other helicopters.
And here we can see our cameras have caught the Prachand formation coming over the dome of Rashtrapati Bhavan and now moving towards the saluting base at Kartavya Path. One LCH, light combat helicopter in the lead, two Apache helicopters and two advanced light helicopters, Mark IV aircraft in echelon. The 5 aircraft Arrowhead formation led by Group Captain Deepak Bishnoi. These are visual shots taken from the air, from the aircraft, giving you great perspective. And the next formation behind them from the direction of Rashtrapati Bhavan.
तिरंगा फॉर्मेशन, जिसमें 5 सारंग ALH लेडर फॉर्मेशन में यहां तिरंगा लहराने को तैयार, 150 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार से। कोहरे में आज की ये सुबह लिपटी हुई, लेकिन सुबह के मुकाबले रोशनी थोड़ी बेहतर होती हुई और निगाहें सभी की आकाश की ओर।
Coloring the sky with the national colors. Nothing can dampen or cloud this spirit. Very soon, the next formation, Tiranga.
पांच सारंग एडवांस लाइट हेलीकॉप्टर 150 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार से सलामी मंच के ऊपर से गुजरेंगे।
So just to give you a perspective, historically flypasts have a special affinity with parades and form their aerial component, and the flypasts here at the Republic Day Parade have a way of imprinting themselves on the nation's memory. It's the form of an aerial salute. They show respect, display aircraft and showcase flying skills as a form of entertainment to delight the public, and an expectant public waiting to be delighted. Expectant cameramen waiting to catch these birds in the air. The diffused glow of a chilly January morning, witnessing along with all present here the reaffirmation of our national identity, a nation on the move. Men, women, people, culture, creativity, all on the move. And here, the Indian Air Force wanting to redefine the sky space of movement. It's not an easy day to fly, particularly for a flypast, and all acrobatics or aerobatics are of course very, very challenging on days like this, but that's what national pride is all about. Rising to the challenge, and that's what our men and women in uniform are all about.
फ्लाई पास्ट के हिसाब से मौसम काफी कठिन, कोहरा काफी ज्यादा है।
So expectation, of course, writ large on faces as heads invariably at a slight sound turn skywards and the gaze searches for that glimmer of silver, a message which we would be wanting to send out to the future, that we see you. There's the crowd applauding. And we can see a part of the fly past going past. A deep desire in all the pilots not to disappoint. So notwithstanding the weather, they are trying to show aircraft in the air.
मौसम काफी खराब होने के बावजूद, विजिबिलिटी बहुत कम है, उसके बावजूद वायुसेना के विमान सलामी मंच के ऊपर से गुजर रहे हैं। नेत्र फॉर्मेशन, एयरबॉर्न अर्ली वार्निंग एंड कंट्रोल विमान AEWNC 4 रफाल एरो फॉर्मेशन में 415 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार के साथ।
That was the Netra formation, comprising 1 airborne early warning and control aircraft with 4 Rafale aircraft in echelon, going past the saluting base. The Indian Air Force traditionally has been presenting the fly past on all Republic Days, and here we have the next formation. The beam formation, comprising 1 C-17 aircraft with 2 Sukhoi 30 aircraft in echelon, streaming fuel and flying past over the National War Memorial. Led by Group Captain A.K. Patnaik, speed of 555 kilometers per hour.
फ्लाई पास्ट के लिए ये सभी विमान देश के अलग अलग एयरबेस से उड़ान भरकर यहां आते हैं और उसके बाद सलामी मंच के ऊपर से गुजरते हैं।
In the words of a pilot, when you are up in the sky, the thunder becomes felt in the heart, not in the head. And it is, of course, through fly past that ceremonial and national pride also imprint themselves on a nation's memory.
उत्सुकता और प्रतीक्षा, सबकी निगाहें आकाश में।
For any national celebration to have true meaning, its reasons need to be lived collectively.
अमृत फॉर्मेशन, जिसमें 6 जैगुआर 750 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार से उड़ते हुए ग्रुप कैप्टन NP वर्मा की कमान में।
This is the Trishul formation. 3 Sukhoi 30 Mark I aircraft pulling outwards for the Trishul formation.
ग्रुप कैप्टन A धनखड़, जो त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन के साथ थे, विक फॉर्मेशन में यहां से उड़ान भरते हुए गए सलामी मंच के ऊपर से। 750 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार।
fact, today is a day when the nation and all its symbolic representations take center stage, and the national flag flutters proudly in many more spaces, including in our hearts.
गूंजता हुआ आकाश, रफाल 900 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार से उड़ते हुए।
The Vijay formation, Group Captain R. Kartavya just went past the saluting base. The thunder can of course be felt over here. One of the sounds we've all been waiting for. But of course, the fog has dampened the fly past a little. Not our spirits, just some maneuvers.
Display of power, governance and eradication, that the nation is safe and giving us all a feeling of reassurance.
खराब मौसम के बावजूद वायुसेना के विमानों का यहाँ शानदार फ्लाई पास्ट और
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.